The cryptocurrency market trends on predictions. So far, astonishing predictions have been made for Cardano, and it has successfully lived up to some of them. Long-term coin price predictions are often made using computer algorithms, and investors are damn anxious to know what the next accurate forecast for Cardano's future price is. Now, keep calm. The prediction in today's video will be accurate enough to foster Cardano's rebound, because it's an insane one. Would you like to hear it? Well, then be sure to watch this video to the end to find out. Prediction is a mind game. They are always characterized by intuition and possibilities, which always overwhelm the real facts. It is common in the cryptocurrency market, and that's why novice investors are drowning in a pool of confusion. However, it is essential to make predictions, either accurate or not, as it determines the future and safety of the market. Investors' reactions to failed predictions can be disastrous and sometimes painful, but this will never hinder the flow of predictions. Especially in the crypto market, it's just how things roll. There are many predictions as analysts are charting the future of cryptocurrency. Irrespective of challenges or limitations, cryptocurrency has waxed in its popularity. According to CNBC, the King coin, which is Bitcoin, had a tremendous boost. The digital currency had been up nearly 70% since 2021, driving the entire crypto market to a combined $2 trillion in value. Take a look at the future of cryptocurrency. If the past is any indication, investors are in for an exciting ride. It has been earlier predicted that cryptocurrency prices could fall further in 2022. They leaped to a record high in November, but they are currently sitting below $50,000, nearly 30% from its high. Carol Alexander, a professor of finance at Sussex University, expected Bitcoin to plummet to a low of $10,000 in 2022, which would erase most of its gains in the past year. I mean, predictions can be a bit scary. Others never saw a crash in 2022. A crypto market analyst at a Japanese digital asset exchange, BitBank, believed that the most significant risk factor would come from the Fed. In Analytics Insight, Sanyatani Sanyal stated that the market analysts predicted that Bitcoin could hit $100,000 by the end of 2023, and others said that it could climb to that mark in the first quarter of 2022. For others, Bitcoin will reach more than $70,000 by the end of 2022. In short, crypto predictions are all over the place, contributing to the market's volatility. Also, it was recorded last year that most meme coins disappeared after a significant rise. A Dogecoin spinoff, Shiba Inu, climbed to $45 million, and Squid, a coin named after the television drama Squid Game, jumped to more than $75,000 in less than a week. What happened afterward? Well, they disappeared. Yeah, just like that. So the question is, can this also be the fate of Cardano? Well, Cardano is not perfect. It has combated various irregularities and faced several competitions, but it has lived up to some of its predictions. It can get better in 2022 or perhaps the next year. So what do you think? The ADA coin has had a significant change in early 2021. This was a time of substantial growth in the cryptocurrency market, which amended some of ADA predictions. On the 1st of January, the coin opened up at 18 cents, and by the 16th day of the same month, it had doubled to 37 cents. This was followed by a steady progression. The ADA coin price broke through the dollar barriers and closed at $1.12 on the 20th of February. Storm clouds were on the horizon, and the great crypto day crash of 19th of May 2021 saw the value of ADA go from an intraday high of $2.03 to an intraday low of $1.03. While there was a recovery, it looks as the damage has been done, and the ADA coin stayed below the $2 mark. That was until the start of September, when it reached an all-time high of $3.10. It bottomed at $2.58 following the Alonzo hard fork upgrade. This was when one might have expected the ADA stock to rise. However, regardless of the odds, what prediction can be made for Cardano? Well, let's take a deeper look into it. According to the Finder's panel of fintech experts, Cardano's ADA will jump to $2.79 before the end of 2022. Out of all the altcoins, 10.3% of the panel believe Cardano will be a top-performing altcoin in 2022. If this is accomplished, then the value of coins will jump up to 168% before the end of the year. Despite the recent dip in the price of Cardano, the indefatigable panel of experts have high expectations for it going forward, with their 2025 and 2030 predictions for the value of the coin being higher than July 2021 survey. In July, the panel expected ADA to hit a value of $7.26 by 2025, and then go to $26.59 by 2030. Changing their stance, they now expect ADA to hit $8.18 in 2025 and $58.04 by 2030. I mean, that's insane, right? Chief Product Officer at Permission, Vanessa Harris, was one of the more bullish panelists on the coin, and experts it values to end 2022 around the $3 mark. While pointing out that ADA has grown quite slowly to this point, she stated that it has reasons to pay off down the track, as nations and states look into opportunities related to the cryptocurrency. It is one of the few smart contract platforms that has placed security, correctness, and decentralization at their core, backed by formal methods and peer-reviewed research, she said. At the other end of the spectrum is Balthazar's CEO, John Stefanidis, who sees Cardano's price dropping slightly before the end of the year due to a lack of execution and poor technology. Different opinions were exchanged, but a major percentage of the experts fully supported Cardano. They believe that the coin is set to see an explosive recovery. Since Cardano's Alonzo upgrade, its price has dipped. However, the panel was unable to agree on the cause. They attributed the price decline to a slew of reasons, including the absence of market share in terms of total value locked, the general volatility of the market, DApp exploits, and the UK's ADA ban. The recent crypto crash has left investors scratching their heads on whether the worst storm has passed or pieces could plunge even deeper. Jack McDonald, the CEO of Polysign, told CNBC that he thinks the worst could be behind the crypto market for good, and investors should expect a strong recovery in the coming months. He noted that the falling prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies are mainly because they are seen as a risk-on asset, with an increasing correlation with the broader markets. The crypto market has suffered a massive sell-off, with Bitcoin falling to $28,000 and billions of dollars liquidated. The price decline was exacerbated by Terra USD depegging from the US dollar and the subsequent death of Luna. Nevertheless, the market is about to experience an upside, with Cardano at the forefront. Cardano and ADA coin have grabbed a lot of attention recently, and it is ranked as the 7th largest coin by market cap. Something that happened in the not so distant past, which impacted Cardano, was when the Alonzo hard fork was implemented. One of the key features of this upgrade was that it was designed to establish full smart contract functionality on the blockchain. Smart contracts are often a crucial part of blockchain technology and transactions. In a blog post, Tim Harrison, the marketing and communications director for IOHK, co-founded by Charles Hoskinson, stated that the hard fork was an epical moment in the birth of a new ecosystem. He added that it was only the beginning of an incredible journey as a community. Harrison said that people needed to calm their expectations, noting that it took 2 years for the first step on the Ethereum blockchain to gain real traction. Sadly, for the people behind Cardano, while the upgrade has proven useful, the market didn't necessarily agree with it. But the introduction of smart contracts to the system will ultimately increase the take-up of Cardano and will potentially boost the ADA coin price prediction. The concept behind decentralized finance is the same concept behind Cardano. Across the world, many people do not have bank accounts, and DeFi is designed to enable them to access financial services without needing to go to a bank. Cardano might be the 3rd-generation cryptocurrency and aims to overcome the problems that other cryptocurrencies have encountered. It was specifically designed to offer fast and direct transfers and a platform for financial applications. The goals are incredibly ambitious, but there are a lot of problems Cardano has to surmount to achieve these goals. Then it will live up to this insane prediction. But how about you? Do you have any predictions? Be sure to let us know in the comments section below. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons to be notified on our next upload.